All right, everybody, I am back from Greece and I had an amazing time. My wife Jess and I just love Greece and could not get enough of it. I haven't done that much fishing lately. I have some videos from before I went away that I'm gonna get up now pretty soon, but I also have been working on a project, a fishing related project that I wanna show you guys. So without further ado, let's take a look. All right, so what we have here is my power box. Now, I was able to build this using instructions on a video that I found. The video was incredibly helpful, showed you where to get all the parts and step-by-step instructions, very clear, awesome video. This power box, obviously 12-volt power battery with tons of wiring, everything going through fuse box to make it, safer and easier to fix should something go wrong. And what we got here is main power, voltmeter, so you can tell how you're doing on power. We also have some wonderful LEDs for, when sun's going down or sun hasn't come up and you're getting out in the water. We also have, this one, dual USB ports. Got to charge phones, cameras, whatnot out on the water. Also, you could take this camping. This would be a great thing for accessories when you're camping. We also have a 12-volt power for, which I'm going to use for my fish finder. And also, you can use it for any other things you would run on a car cigarette port. Now, the last switch is also for these power posts. Anything else you can hook up to these, you got power for those. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the test. This is the first test. I have not tried it. This is my old fish finder that I had on my kayak back home. I got the family from back home to send all the parts out. This was from when I had it on just a regular, touring kayak, not any kind of fishing kayak, because this was back in the day before fishing kayaks really exploded. So this was a little swing arm to get the transducer down in the water, and I'm going to modify it so that we can put it on the rental boats out at Castaic Lake. So, like I said, let's give it a test to see if we are getting power here. Light's good sign, connection's good. Beautiful. Now, I know this isn't the most amazing electronics, a fish finder in the world, but it is going to be a lot of help when we're out on the lake in Castaic. I just want to be able to tell, just shorten up, that search period. Where are the fish? How deep are they? We're not going to get a ton of information like side scan and, those beautiful graphs that you can get, but this will really help us out when we're out in the water. So I am super excited about this and looking to get back out in the water once I figure out a system to easily clamp this on the, the side of the boat, something quick, something, easy, that's not too complicated. So I'll be working on that, and when I get that set, we will be back out on the water. So with those wonderful new electronics, I will be hopefully getting back out onto Castaic and Castaic Lagoon, because my buddy Joe has been killing it right out there right now. He has been pulling in PB after PB, just taunting me to hit up those lakes. So I need to get there, and I get to get there soon. I have the new Echo Park video coming soon, and a little bit of fly fishing, maybe a little top water. You'll just have to tune in to see. So in the meantime, get out there on the water, get yourself some tight lines, and take care.